It means that our answer is 1. So from this expression, we have obtained 1 as a solution. For question number 27, we still have an indices where we have to substitute the value of x and the value of y in this expression. So how do we simplify this expression first? This is what we call difference of two squares. The first now is to factorize it. To factorize it, I have x minus y and x plus y. Anytime you have difference of two squares, difference minus in between two squares, then this is the expression, the factorization. So the next thing I want to do is to substitute the value of x and substitute the value of y in this expression. So my x is this, and then I'll write a raised to the power of n plus a minus n over 2 minus so we subtract y, which is a raised to the power n minus a raised to the power minus n over 2. All right, so we are done with the first bracket. We substitute the value of x and y, then produce the second bracket and substitute the same thing, but the difference, the in between them, we have plus. So value of x is a raised to the power n plus a power minus n over 2 plus, instead of minus, we now put plus. That is this. The value of y, which is a raised to the power n minus a power minus n over 2. Now, at this point, we have to simplify the fractions. So let's simplify the fraction. We have to subtract this and this. We have to add this and this. To add these two fractions, because I have common denominators, I'll simply take one of the denominators. Whenever you have the same denominator and you are subtracting or adding the fractions, take a common denominator, then subtract the numerators. So I have a raised to the power of n plus a minus n, then minus, that has to be in the bracket, this guy. All right, let's do the same thing here. The same denominators, I'll take a common denominator, then so add their powers, I mean the numerators, plus. All right, now you can observe that I left the bracket for here, but I've removed the brackets for here. The reason is because this negative sign has to affect the negative sign inside here, because we use this negative sign to multiply the bracket. So let's simplify. We have a raised to the power n plus a power minus n, minus times a power n minus a power n. Minus times minus will give us plus a power minus n all over 2. Then bring down this power n plus, all right, all over 2. Now the next thing I want to do is to simplify further. You observe that a raised to the power n, we subtract a raised to the power n because we have subtraction. Then a raised to the power minus n plus a raised to the power minus n, they are same, so we add the both of them. That gives us 2 a raised to the power minus n. Then over here, a raised to the power minus n, we subtract a raised to the power minus n. So all we have is a power n, a power n. Add the both of them, you have 2 a power n all over 2. Now we have a simple fraction where 2 can simply divide 2. So we have what? A power minus n multiply 2, we simplify 2, we have a power n. Now, whenever you have a power that is a negative, you take reciprocal. Remember the question number 26. If you have 2 inverse 1, it means 1 over 2. If you have 2 raised to the power minus 2, it means 1 over 2 raised to the power 2. So since we have that here, we can write this as 1 over a raised to the power n, so that we handle the negative sign. And then we still have a raised to the power n Now these two guys are multiplying, and anytime a whole number multiplies a fraction, the whole number multiplies directly to the numerator. All right, that is, if you have, let's assume you have 3 times 1 over 2, the 3 will multiply 1 so that you have 3 over 2. Let's do that here. A raised to power n times 1 will give us a raised to power n over a raised to power n. All right, and since we have a raised to power n dividing by a raised to power n, it means that our answer is 1. So from this expression we have obtained 1 as a solution.